Hello, welcome to this Chrysalis Consulting proposal to the Metro Parks of the Toledo area. This presentation will briefly summarize our proposal along with the formal proposal that we've submitted to the Metro Parks staff. Over the next few minutes, we're going to be talking briefly about the roadmap that we've laid out to ensure success for the Metro Parks team. Our presentation overview will cover four main areas. Number one, we'll be talking about our approach to system change, our 4-year project timeline, the biographies of our 4 team members, and the next steps after reading and review of this proposal. What is whole system change? We believe, encapsulated in the quote that people defend that which they help to create by Dr. Stephen Cady, is exactly what we're striving for. We want staff members, volunteers, key stakeholders identified, brought to the table to bring great ideas, develop buy-in and support, really make speed of change rapid and being readily adopted, and then telling the story with ongoing implementation success and sharing the gospel, if you will, with others. We've laid out a 4-year roadmap which basically does the following things. In each of these planning discussions, get-togethers, facilitated events, we will be talking about 3 things: developing initiatives, developing action plans and responsible parties, and then having a continuous feedback loop of information on previous initiatives and ongoing initiatives and future initiatives, not only to people that are involved in the process, but also to the general public. So in 2014, we've targeted developing a priority list of the projects brought by the 3 consultants that will have proposals finalized by May of 2014, as well as 3 executive members of the Metro Park staff talked about being able to have quality measurements or metrics to really tell the story of the Metro Parks to the Lucas County area, to really move the organization forward in the public viewpoint from being the best kept secret in the Toledo area to everyone knowing how great of an organization and what great stewards of natural resources the Metro Park staff are. In 2015, should be going through the first round of projects that were developed in 2014 and developing new projects in 2015, and then you'll see more of the same in the year 2016. And then what we've really targeted is really developing as many communication methods as possible to communicate these wins, the ways that the Metro Parks have progressed, the initiatives that are ongoing, to tell the story, to get ready for the November 17th election, in which a levy will either be up for renewal or additional funding. The 4 members of our Chrysalis team are Sherry Anderson, who is our group dynamics and group facilitation expert; Ida D'Alessandro Felix, who specializes in strategic planning and staff training and development; Ron Silico, who is our expert in the recreation side of Parks and Recreation, as well as deconstructing processes and fundamentals; and Jody Watson, who is our expert in developing the critical piece of employee and stakeholder involvement and buy-in into the process. So after looking at this presentation, reading our formal proposal, and you're curious, you're intrigued, you want to learn more, please contact me via email or telephone number. We are really excited about this project. We think the Metro Parks have an unprecedented chance in their history to, 1, show the impact and the value to the community, but also develop new initiatives, new facilities, new amenities that can really move Northwest Ohio area forward. Thank you for allowing